Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome in my first vlog. Today we are going to discuss traditional Indonesian food. But before the next, I will introduce myself. My name is Febi Rizka Asmiati. I'm from Agrotechnology, Faculty of Science and Technology, State Islamic University, Sunan Gunung Jati, Bandung. I live in Lubuk Linggau, South Sumatra. I was born in Moraklini on February 26, 2000. And now I'm 20 years old. Okay, I think enough. Let's just start the video.
One of the culture the Indonesian has is traditional culinary. Each city has a different traditional culinary. The difference in traditional Indonesian culinary delights also have their own characteristic, like Central Java, which is now for its sweet taste, or Manado, which is now but the people who must like the spicy taste, and so forth. Culture is one of the things that must continue to be preserved, as well as traditional Indonesian cuisine, which must continue to be preserved by being introduced to our young generation. Do not let the younger generation of Indonesia get to know more about cuisine of Western culture, which is now rampant in Indonesia, as is the case with some culinary entrepreneur who carry traditional culinary. As Gudeg Jogja, now there is a can packaging, or pempek Palembang, which is also very popular, and so on. So, in this video, I will to discuss for traditional Indonesian food, including gudeg, rendang, pempek, and kerak telur.
Okay, the first traditional Indonesian food is gudeg. Gudeg is traditional Javanese cuisine from Yogyakarta and Central Java, Indonesia. Gudeg is made from young unripe jackfruit, and Javanese is gori, and Indonesian is nangka muda. Stewed from several herbs with palm sugar and coconut milk. Additional spices include garlic, shallot, candlenut, coriander seed, galanga, bay leaf, and teak leaf. The latter giving a reddish-brown color in the dish. It is often described as green jackfruit sweet stew. Served solely, gudeg can be considered as is vegetarian food, since it only consists of unripe jackfruit and coconut milk. However, gudeg is commonly served with egg or chicken. Gudeg is served with white steamed rice. Chicken either is opor ayam or fried chicken, telur pindang, opor ayam, or just plain hard-boiled egg, tofu and or tempe, and sambal goreng krecek, a stew made of crisped beef. Okay everyone, the next traditional Indonesian food is rendang. Rendang is a spicy meat dish originating from Indonesia, especially the ethnic Minangkabau people, and is now generally served throughout the country. As one of the specialty food of Minangkabau culture, rendang served at ceremonial events and to honor the witch. Traditionally, rendang is prepared by the Minangkabau community during festive events such as traditional ceremony, wedding, and Eid al-Fitr. Rendang is rich in spices, along with the main ingredients. Rendang use coconut milk and pasta from a mixture of spices, including ginger, galangal, turmeric leaves, lemongrass, garlic, onion, red onion, chili, and other spices. This mixture of spices is called cooking in Minangkabau. Spices, garlic, shallot, ginger, and galangal used in rendang have antimicrobial ingredients and occasion are natural organic preservatives. If cooked properly, dried rendang can last for 4 weeks. Well, the next traditional Indonesian food is typical food from city I live. Is the city I live of Palembang, South Sumatra. The traditional Indonesian food in Palembang is pempek. Pempek, or others now is pempek or pempek, is one of signature dishes from South Sumatra, precisely from Palembang Regency. Pempek is typical of fish cake that made of fish meat and tapioca powder and spices, and it's served with sweet and sour sauce called cuka or cuko, which typical of brown sugar vinegar that made of brown sugar, vinegar, chili, garlic, and salt. The taste of sweetness and hotness at the same time. In one plate of pempek, you will find a plate full of the pempek dog that have been fried and cut in pieces, yellow noodle, and the sauce. In some modification, there will become cucumber and salt powder for sprinkle. There are some variants of pempek that we can find in the menu. The most popular one is pempek kapal selam. Kapal selam in bahasa means submarine, which resemble to the shape of the dish. Pempek kapal selam is pempek duck with an egg inside. Other popular variant is pempek lenjer, which is pempek is long cylindrical, shape that similar to sausage. Other are known as pempek kulit, pempek keriting, pempek adaan, and more.
And the last traditional Indonesian food is kerak telur.
Kerak telur or egg rice is a Betawi or Jakarta traditional spicy omelette dish in Indonesian cuisine. It is made from glutinous rice cooked with egg and served with serundeng, fried surrounded coconut, fried salad, and red serum topping. It is considered as a snack and not as a main dish. These vendors of kerak telur are actually the most ubiquitous during annual Jakarta Fair, and it has also become a must-have menu item for visitors at the event. The food was probably named after a striking card. Approximately, it is said to have been there when Jakarta was called Batavia. It was at Batavia there are many coconut trees which are used by people for various purposes. One of them is to scrape the flesh and mix it with sticky rice, egg, and some seasoning, and then cook in such a way that the confectionery called egg rice.
Okay guys, that's all about some of the traditional Indonesian food. Hopefully it us full. I hope we are always in good health. Thank you for your attention. See you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.